morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is 8 AM and I'm gonna film a little what I ate today vlog today because yeah, have the day off, thought I might as well. So I'm sipping on my lemon water, trying not to spill it. I have lemon water every single morning. And then I'm gonna make some oats. I pretty much have oats every day as well, but yeah, I'm getting really bored of them. So if you guys have any fun breakfast recipes, please let me know down below because it's becoming a chore to like have to eat oats because I don't eat like eggs or anything. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna make your standard oats in the pot. Then I'm gonna cut up a little apple. Ooh, I also think I might put coconut sugar on it. Would that give it like a caramelized taste? Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna do that and I'll let you know how it goes. Ooh, I'm excited now. Okay, never mind, it's not boring. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut up this into little tiny pieces and put the oats in the pot and just cook it with some unsweetened almond milk. But yeah, PS, does anyone else just like love pulling the stalk off the apple? It's like my favorite thing. I'm like a hillbilly, what is this? Anyway, alright, let's make some oats. So breakfast is served. It looks amazing. I can't wait to eat it. But also now that I'm starting to become a personal trainer, I'm kind of tracking calories and macros like a little bit just because you need to understand calories and macros when becoming a personal trainer so that you can help your clients. So I'm not doing it for like any specific reason, like I'm not trying to lose weight or anything. If anything, I want to be eating more because I'm trying to put on muscle, but I'm not like tracking every single day or like strictly or anything. But I thought as a part of these what I ate today videos, now that I'm getting an, ooh, that's bright. Now that I'm getting an understanding of tracking and stuff, I thought I'd put the calories and macros for each meal just in case any of you guys are tracking. But yeah, this is just my personal amount of calories. I know some people who lose weight want to eat like 1400 calories, but mine's more like 2400. So yeah, it's not really that big of a deal for me because I'm not like really trying to lose weight or anything. So yeah, but for my breakfast it was 284 calories and the macros are 8 grams of protein, 45 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of fat. So it's a pretty balanced meal. It's obviously very high in carbs, like the apple is a carb, oats are carbs, coconut sugar is a carb. So yeah, it's pretty high in carbs, but yeah, this will keep me full probably until lunchtime and then we'll make lunch. But so long time no talk. It is now 12:15 and it has been around like 4.5 hours since I had my breakfast and I'm gonna make some lunch. I've just been studying for the past couple hours and my belly is starting to grumble and I cannot focus anymore. So time to make some lunch. Also, sorry if I'm a little weird in this video. I do have to go to the dentist later and I'm literally shitting my pants. So yeah, I'm just a bit nervous and anxious about it and I could not stop thinking about it. So sorry if my mood is just like not as fun in this video. But anyway, I'm really excited for my lunch because I have been obsessed with these veggie burgers from Woolworths lately. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen me post about it 50,000 times. But it is the macro Moroccan veggie burger. They are so good. So I have one left of those and I'm going to cook that. The best thing about it is that it literally takes 1 to 2 minutes to cook and then you've got your lunch. So I love that. And then I just have a wholemeal bread roll. So I'm just gonna put some salady stuff in that and some vegan mayonnaise because I've been obsessed with the vegan mayonnaise because it's so much better than the other mayo for you. And yeah, I'm really excited to eat this, so let's make it. literally 2 minutes later and I have my veggie burger ready to devour. I am starving right now, so I'm excited. The calories for this meal is 685 calories. That's quite a lot, like especially if you're only eating 1,400 calories, but this meal is pretty huge. Like it'll keep me full until mostly dinner. My dentist appointment's at 4 and I don't know if I have to eat soft food afterwards because I'm getting fillings and stuff, so this will keep me full until at least then, and then but then we'll have to see what happens afterwards. But yeah, this does keep me full for a really long time. That's like the 3rd time I've said that. But obviously if you were trying to cut back on carbs or calories in general, then you don't have to have like the bun. You could just cut it up and put it in like some form of salad or something. This is just my favorite way to eat it and it tastes so flipping good. I'm actually obsessed. So the fat for this is 30.4 grams, the carbs is 75.9 grams, and the protein is 23.9 grams. So it's pretty high in all of them, but it's also a very balanced meal, and like I said, it does keep you full for a really long time. So yeah, this is my obsession lately. Hey guys, so I'm outside on my balcony now and I just finished doing a little workout. I didn't film it because today's like a what I ate today vlog, not like a usual vlog, but I just did a little arm and ab hit kind of workout to get my mind off the dentist, and it is crazy how much exercise can really help and affect your mental well-being, because all day I've been so anxious and so stressed about the dentist. Like I know I'm just getting a filling and it probably won't even like hurt, but it's been so long and I just don't really know what to expect, so I'm just really scared. And the fact that I have to get a lot of them and like thinking about my wisdom teeth getting pulled out and stuff is just freaking me out. But I'm really glad that I did a little workout because I don't think I'll be able to go to the gym later once I get the filling. I feel like you're not meant to exercise for a couple of hours and you're not meant to like eat hard food. So I also don't know what I'm going to be having for dinner. I do have some mashed sweet potato in the fridge in case I'm only allowed soft food. I feel like a little baby. But yeah, now I'm just going to eat a banana as my little post-workout snack, and I might have a protein shake later. And yeah, it's about 3 o'clock, so I gotta leave in like 20 minutes, so I would say wish me luck, but you're gonna see this by the time that I get my teeth done, so fingers crossed. I feel like a chipmunk. I'm back from the dentist now, guys. It wasn't as bad as I thought. A little bit scary with like the needles and stuff, but it wasn't painful, so that's good, and it was a pretty quick process considering I needed 2 fillings. So I'm home and it is 6:30. I'm starving because I had that banana at like 2:30 I think, or 3. So time to eat. The dentist said I was allowed to eat normal food just on one side, but I'm a little bit like scared because I don't want to like ruin the filling or anything. So we have some leftover mashed potato, that looks gross, from last night's dinner. It's about 200 grams of sweet potato, and I might also have a YoPro passion fruit yogurt as a little side to my sweet potato, just because otherwise it's not a very big meal. That meal in general I think is 267 calories, which isn't too much. I still have 900 calories left for my day. So I'm gonna eat these 2 and then see if I'm peckish later. There's not really much I can eat, so I don't know what I would eat anyway. Maybe like, what could I eat? Banana. Maybe I can like mash up a banana in a bowl or something if I get hungry, but for now I'm just gonna have the mashed sweet potato and the passion fruit yogurt and see how it goes. So today I consumed 1,403 calories, which definitely isn't what I'm aiming for, so I probably will be hungry later, we'll see. And then the macros are 52 protein, 211 carbs, 31 fiber, and 37 grams of fat. So I've gone over the fiber, which is good because you need fiber in your diet, but I've still got heaps of protein, 77 grams of carbs to go, and 14 grams of fat. So I'll probably have something that has protein in it because I have 121 grams left if I do get hungry. We'll see. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I cannot talk anymore. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell button next to the subscribe button to be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!